And welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Now, if you're serious about boosting your revenue and staying ahead of the curve, you need to know what's coming down the pipeline. That's why we're going to unpack the top trends that are going to reshape the affiliate marketing landscape in 2025. Get ready to level up your affiliate game because this is information you won't want to miss. Welcome to our deep dive into the future of affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore the top trends that are set to shape the industry in 2025. We're living in the age of AI, and let me tell you, it's not just science fiction anymore. This tech is revolutionizing the way we do business, and affiliate marketing is no exception. AI is like having a superpowered assistant that can analyze massive amounts of data to figure out exactly who your target audience is, what they're interested in, and how to reach them most effectively. Think about it. AI can personalize product recommendations on the fly, optimize your campaigns in real time based on what's working best, and even streamline your content creation process. And we can't forget about influencer partnerships. AI can help you identify the perfect influencers to work with, those who resonate with your audience and drive serious conversions. Social media isn't just about sharing cat videos anymore. It's become the ultimate marketplace. And if you're not leveraging its power for affiliate marketing, you're missing out. We're talking about platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. These are your moneymakers. But here's the thing, authenticity is key. Consumers, especially younger generations, can sniff out a fake from a mile away. That's why micro-influencers are becoming so important. They might not have millions of followers, but their audiences are engaged, loyal, and trust their recommendations. And with social commerce features like Instagram shopping and TikTok's in-app purchases, buying has never been easier. We're talking about a seamless experience from discovery to checkout, all within their favorite social media platform. Look, attention spans are shrinking faster than ever. People are bombarded with content from all directions, so you need to grab their attention and hold it tight. That's why it's crucial to diversify your content strategy. We're talking about mixing things up with a blend of short, attention-grabbing formats like Reels and TikToks, alongside your traditional in-depth content like blog posts and email campaigns. The key here is to cater to different preferences. Some people love to consume quick, snackable videos, while others prefer to dive deep into a well-researched blog post. By offering a variety of content formats, you'll capture a wider audience and keep them coming back for more. Remember, consistency is key, but so is keeping things fresh and engaging. In the world of affiliate marketing, data is king. We're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks anymore. We're talking about making informed decisions based on cold, hard data. Performance analytics are your best friend here. Track everything from clicks to conversions and use that information to optimize your campaigns, identify your top-performing affiliates, and maximize your return on investment. But here's the catch. Privacy is becoming increasingly important. With stricter regulations like GDPR and CCPA, you need to be smart about how you collect and use data. Focus on building direct relationships with your audience and collecting first-party data through email opt-ins and other transparent methods. Let's be real for a second. There's been a lot of shady stuff going on in the affiliate marketing world. You know what I'm talking about, those misleading product endorsements and hidden agendas. But let me tell you, that's not how we roll anymore. In 2025 and beyond, it's all about building trust and credibility. Consumers are savvier than ever, and they can spot a fake from a mile away. They want to know that you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting and that you're not just in it for a quick buck. So here's the deal. Be upfront and honest about your affiliate relationships. Use clear and concise disclosures, and don't be afraid to share both the pros and cons of a product. Remember, authenticity is key. Let's face it, we're living in a mobile-first world. People are glued to their smartphones, browsing, shopping, and consuming content on the go. If your affiliate marketing campaigns aren't optimized for mobile, you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential customers. Think about it. Mobile optimization goes beyond just having a responsive website. We're talking about creating a seamless and user-friendly experience across all devices. From easy navigation to fast loading times and mobile-specific promotions, every aspect of your campaign should be designed with mobile in mind. Remember those third-party cookies that used to track our every move online? Well, they're on their way out. Privacy regulations are getting stricter and browsers are phasing out support for these little trackers, but don't panic just yet, my friend. There are other ways to track your performance and personalize your marketing efforts. We're talking about email opt-ins, direct user interactions, and other cookieless tracking methods. Focus on building direct relationships with your audience, providing value, and getting their consent to collect data. So there you have it, the top affiliate marketing trends that will shape the industry in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the key to success is to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. To stay competitive, focus on incorporating these trends into your strategies while leveraging platforms and tools that align with your goals. Embrace AI and data-driven decision-making. Build authentic relationships with influencers in your audience and prioritize ethical and transparent practices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on affiliate marketing and beyond. See you in the next one.